Car break-ins just got a lot more serious for you and your family. Thieves are targeting cars and then using what they find inside to break into your home.
Burglars are targeting vehicles in parking lots and getting inside these cars, and once inside the car they go for your garage door opener, and from there they get into your glove box where they find your registration, and on that registration the address to your home.
For most of us, when we get home from work, we take our valuables and we get out of our car and we make sure we bring them with us. That includes things like our phone, our wallet, our keys. But there could be one thing that you are leaving inside your car that you don't often think about that could be causing you problems, and that is your remote control garage door opener.